So I wandered on down to Top Band to listen around. And this is Victor Yankee 2, Zulu, Mexico. He's on Prince Edward Island. I'm going to see if I can call him. Well, I can call him. I'm going to see if he can hear me on Top Band. And just to prove, I'm running QRP. Well, I'm going to allow myself a tad bit extra, and it's still QRP. And I'll explain that in another video. But anyway, so there we go. My watt meter is a little off too. Right now, set to 14. Its output is about 12 watts PEP. We'll see what we can do.
Victor Yankee 2 Zulu Mexico. Victor Yankee 2 Zulu Mexico. Contest.
November 8, November Kilo.
CQ contest.
Whoa.
Victor Yankee 2 Zulu Mexico.
Come on, man.
Victor Yankee 2
Calling
Zulu
you.
Mexico. Contest.
November 8, November Kilo.
What's your call?
November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo, QRP.
November 8, November Kilo. You're 59150.
QSL, thank you. Please copy 59 number 02, 59 number 2, QSL.
Victor Yankee 2 Zulu Mike.
Huh? Really?
50 Lima Yankee Oscar 591.
Wow. It's going to be like that again. See, I'm pretty slow now. I don't know what happened. I know he heard me. I know it was a contact, and I'm not logging it, but it buggers me out, man. I like confirmation. It's like, something. Say something. Grunt. Ugh. 73.